Okay, guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to submit photo assignments through a desktop. I'll make more of these videos according to an iPad or a phone. So I logged in as one of you just so I could see the student view so you would understand what I'm doing. So you are going to, first of all, if I click over here, this is going to show me the classes that I'm enrolled in. um, you need to click on your homeroom teacher. So I'm using Giselle. Giselle's in my homeroom, and so all her stuff is going to be in Miss Crow's classroom. So here on stream, this is just a place that shows you what's coming up, what's been posted, different assignments, comments, things like that. I like going to classwork because it kind of organizes it for me. So you have your reading writing class for me. You're going to have Bulldog Pride for PE. They posted those assignments. And then this technology one is the one for Mr. Zepeda that you've been working on all year. We're not going to worry about that right now unless he posts assignments. So I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment that asks for a picture. So I'm going to here click on Composition Superheroes. Um, I click on it and it's going to give me a quick synopsis, a quick overview of what the assignment, what you need to do. It's going to show any attachments that I've given. And you also can click here and turn in your assignment, or you can click View Assignment and it'll put the assignment on one screen. So here it gives us the title of the assignment. It gives us the due date, March 27th, 8 o'clock p.m. Tells me how many points it's worth. And then it gives us instructions right here. So it says watch the video about teamwork. If I say watch a video, I'll have a link right beside um, that information. So you can click on that link and go watch that video. It'll probably be on YouTube. And it says think about tough situations. Goes on and on. Number 3 says review the prompt attachment. And so here I have attached a picture of a prompt. So I'm just going to click on it and it's going to bring it up. You've seen this before. It's just like our regular compositions. It has your think, write, be sure to. So it says write about why it's important to work together to accomplish a goal. Explain your reason. Okay, so I've got that. I'm thinking about it. I can go back. Um, and then it says you're going to draft it. Make sure you read the prompt and you're going through each step of the writing process. Guys, just because you're at home does not mean we can slack. You still go through each part of your writing process, brainstorming, planning, drafting, revising and editing. Do not skip this. This is very important. And publishing. I only want a picture of your published piece. If I notice that maybe you're not revising and editing, then I might ask for pictures of each step of the writing process. But for right now, I'm going to start out. I just want a photo of your published piece. That means it's not in 4 squares. It's on one sheet of notebook paper, written out just like you would on star paper. So it says take a picture of your final published draft only and submit it on Friday, March 27th at 8 o'clock p.m. You can submit a picture through Google Classroom, and this is what I'm going to show you. So do not worry about class comments down here. You're going to go up where it says assigned. Anytime it says that green assigned, that's where you're going to turn in your assignment. So you're going to add or create, and it'll be a photo. So you're going to go to File, and you can select photos from your device, from your computer. It's the same thing on the laptop. So I'm just going to pick this photo. And you're going to come down here and click upload. It shouldn't take long to upload that photo. Maybe it will. It's raining outside. Okay, so when it's done uploading, it should bring you back to this screen and you should see the picture of your work right up here. And then you are done. So you're going to turn in. And it says turn in your work. One attachment will be submitted for the composition superheroes. Click turn in. And you are done. And I will be able to grade it that way. going forward, I'm going to show you how to use it maybe on an iPad or on a phone. So I'll create those videos for you to get those out.